everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Wicked cool car, guys. I bought this from a gentleman. Matter of fact, I bought a pair of cars from him. The other one he had bought for me a few years back. But he's the second owner on this car. He bought this car from the original owner, who's the one who did it. It's had a complete frame-off restoration. Beautifully done. You can see a really cool color combination. I'm assuming this is that Synergy green metallic that's on the newer Camaros. And then it's got a pearl white. It's got a beautiful two-tone tan leather interior. Matter of fact, it's that, I never say this right, Ciadella interior. But wicked cool car. He said he's owned the car, I think he said 2017. But great car, very nice underneath. Matter of fact, we're not going to drive it down the roads because everything's a mess here right now. But wicked cool car, man. Again, frame-off restoration, really nicely done car. Little bit of a hot rod, 33 aluminum headed stroker motor with a Muncie 4-speed, 12-bolt rear end in the back. Again, really cool color combination. We've got some receipts on the resto, not a ton of stuff, but really nicely done. It's got Cragar SS rallies all the way around it with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs. New chrome, new stainless, new glass, and not a whole lot to really nitpick. Little stone peck there, a couple of dead bugs, but really pretty car, man. I really dig the color combo. Touch up there. Chrome and stainless is really nice. I drove the car when we first got it in. The car rocks. Definitely a car that would have been a fun video, but Mother Nature doesn't want to cooperate right now. But again, new glass. The stainless is nice. The only thing I couldn't get, like the wiper switch wasn't working, so the couldn't get the wipers to work. Gotta shut that mic. I gotta shut it all the way down. Yeah, we'll open it. You can open the hood. Again, beautiful interior, two-tone leather. Really nice car, man. Fun car to bang the gears. Again, little hot rod. It's got one of those comp Mutha Thumpr cams in it. Car sits good. Good solid straight body. Nice set of Cragars. Disc brakes. This color just jumps off this car. Again, nasty little 33 stroker engine in it. It's got trick flow aluminum heads. You can see it's got a Demon dual feed 4-barrel polished aluminum intake. Hedman ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, MSD ignition. It's got a B&M air cleaner on it, Moroso valve covers, Muncie 4-speed manual trans, aluminum radiator. It's got the shroud and a flex fan on it. Cool car. I think I said power steering. Nicely done. That is a good looking car. And wheel wells are all painted green. Yeah, the car originally came out, this is a sticker from 2017 when it came out of PA. You can open the doors too, Mike. Stainless is nice. Door skins are nice, beautiful interior. Two-tone leather, new carpet, new sill plates. Look at how pretty that car is. Hurst shifter, chrome tilt column with a Grant steering wheel. Again, really nice leather in this car. Headliner's nice. Showing 57,000, I'm sure that's 157. Parking brake works, factory dash, got all aftermarket gauges. It's got aftermarket radio in the glove box. Does have line lock, that's what the little button is. Parking brake works. It's got the Pypes stainless dual exhaust system, which sounds great. 12 bolt. I think it's a 355. 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear end with Lakewood traction bars. You can see it's all painted in here. That's the actual battery car cover. This is all the paperwork for the restoration. Pretty car, man. Got a great look. Got nice underneath. That is a pretty car, man. Killer interior. Go ahead and fire it up, Mike. Door handles are nice. Get new glass. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Rocks, I'll tell you that. Hear that jam working? It's got a painless American Wire Auto new wiring system in it as well. Fuel gauge is just up there. Everything else is down there. Looks like everything works. Lights work. Here it hits its R's quick. The car's got nasty small block in it, guys. The gauges are all functional. Radio in here works. Like I say, the only thing I couldn't get, blower motor works. I couldn't get the wiper switch to it. It's not moving, so I don't know if it's something in the switch. It looks like it's got a new electric wiper motor in it. We'll have to check on that. Headlights. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by click the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Wicked little car, man. Have a great day, guys.